Hi! In front of me is Huawei MatePad 11 and today I would like to show you how you can operate split screen view on this tablet. First of all, select one of your apps like browser. Click on it, tap home button and then the square button over here. Now click on this icon at the top right corner of your app and select the other one, like gallery. Then you need to hold this line over here and drag the smaller app to the side. Let go, and as you can see now I can use both of them at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps to the side and tap home button. But you can also go into settings and scroll all the way down. Over here, click on accessibility features, select multi-window and make sure that multi-window dock is enabled. Then click home button and select one of your apps again. I will go with browser. Then you need to access Smart Sidebar. Come on! Okay, and select one of those apps, for example Files. Hold the chosen one and drag it to the side. Let go, and now I can use split screen view as well. You can go back the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!